Hi, I'm Michael Hampton, and this is the gesture course. In this course, what I'm working on is trying to approach gesture in a way that students can find accessible and really with a focus and emphasis on organizing your thoughts and making gesture something that doesn't have to be mysterious or ambiguous. So I'm giving it some structure, of course, and some steps, but I'm also trying to keep it open enough where you can approach it from a couple different styles, and more than anything, have an understanding of why you're doing it. Sometimes it's really hard to even know what gesture is or why you should use it or what kind of role it might have in your drawing, or is it a drawing in and of itself, or what am I supposed to do with it when it's done? So I put a lot of emphasis in this course on trying to help you build a framework to think about what the subject of study is, even before we just jump into this is the technical side of things. In this course, what you're going to learn is how to pose your figures, how to think about the internal dynamics of your figures, proportion, how to think about what design is and how you might want your figure to look slightly different based on what you want to prioritize in the final result of what it is you intend to make. At the end of this course, you should come away with a couple different approaches to think gesture, and then I hope a broad enough understanding of the subject to make your own innovations on it. I don't want you to draw exactly like me. I want you to draw in your own style, but take from this course the components that might help you make that style the clearest and the most communicative that you can for kind of stories that you create with your figures. Check it out. It's at proko.com/Hampton. I'll see you there.